I just want to emphasize on something. Did you know that consistency will also reveal who is for you and who is not for you? Consistency will actually show you who are your enemies in life. It will expose those that are jealous for you to go out there and do the best. Those that don't want to see the best version of you, those that are threatened by the best person you can be, they will be revealed by the heat of consistency. When you do something good, a lot of people will just compliment you because you are achieving small, and a lot will clap for you. When you constantly do that, you will realize many will be intimidated by the consistency that you put on it. You don't just look at the goal, but you look at the cycle, who is supposed to be closer to you. When you continue and pressing on into being consistent of what you want to achieve, what you want to be, and who you want to be, you check the cycle. Who is behaving strange? Because you will have compliments like you are overdoing it. You will have compliments that they sounds like care, they sounds like concern, but really you don't know some of these are strategies to pull you down. Listen to what I'm telling you. When you are consistent with achieving a goal and working on that goal, check their cycle, check their faces, check that compliment that you think it's good. Is it not an insult? Check if be sure when you get an advice of not doing it too much, the person that is saying that, is the person really means that, or are they trying to pull you down? Some of them it's real concern, some of them it's real love, some of them they really do care, but a lot of them they don't care. A lot of them are trying to tell you, do not go and exceed what we have achieved. When you are consistent in what you want and what you are aiming for, you even create enemies of people that are way bigger than you, people that are way too far from where you are. When they see the pace of consistency from the level you are at, and they look at themselves, they fear that you're gonna pass them, and sometimes they will pass advices that won't work for you. Consistency is the key, but a good cycle with a good energy that flows all over, a real authentic support will give energy, will energize that consistency you are putting on every day to achieve that goal. Check your cycle. Shalom.